We have one last slide to cover in this series on energy, and it involves the electron transport system. The electron transport system is found in two places that we want to talk about, and that is in the mitochondria and in the chloroplast. And it's found in the membranes of each of those, within the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast and within the cristae of the mitochondria. And this is where those coenzymes will be transporting and dumping off the electrons and the hydrogen ions. All right, so again, it is a series of membrane-bound carrier proteins that pass electrons from one carrier to another carrier, then to the next carrier. And each time these electrons are passed from carrier to carrier, they lose energy. So, and the other important thing is every time these electrons are being transferred, energy is going to be released and eventually used to make ATP. I will give you a brief overview of that system before we close out today. And then again, we said, where is it located? It's located in the membranes of the mitochondria, particularly the cristae and then the chloroplast. And I'm just going to give you just a brief overview of what the cristae would kind of look like. But if you remember, these are our phospholipids, or what the electron transport system would look like, either within the cristae or the thylakoid. Should be drawing with different pens, but I'll make sure I do that in the next video. These are the hydrophobic tails. The circles represent the polar heads or hydrophilic heads. I guess I should have had this kind of drawn out prior to. This is my little cartoon drawing. It's not exactly what it looks like, but anyway. Alright, so just to put some labels up here. These blocky guys, we're going to say, so there's 3 of them that I've drawn, but those are your carrier proteins. So they're going to start pumping hydrogen ions, as well as they're going to carry the electrons from one carrier over to the next carrier to the next carrier. This is the guy that's going to be responsible for helping us make the ATP. So this is the ATP synthase complex. Okay, and just one other thing, all of the coenzymes, whether it's NAD or FAD for cell respiration or NADPH, they will come in and dump off, or remember we said they've picked up the hydrogens and electrons that were being lost during the breakdown process. So here we've got NADH that will come in and get oxidized to NAD plus, losing those hydrogen ions. And this hydrogen ion will get picked up and pumped into, for example, for the mitochondria into that inner membrane space. But I'll go into full detail of this in a later video, but just to kind of give you an idea of what that looks like. All right, we will see you in the next videos, or talk to you in the next videos. Have a great day.